Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and good afternoon, I should say. It's no longer morning. But welcome to this new video on XRP this Saturday. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend. We're going to do a full update right here. Wanted to talk about some fundamentals. We had some good news about XRP yesterday. I mean, in the end, it's good news, but it's not major, and that's also reflected in the price. I mean, we did have a little bit of a surge in price this morning, with some leverage coming in as well. Excuse me, almost have to sneeze. But with some leverage coming in as well. So that's good to see, but that doesn't really mean that much yet. We have no indication that this surge in volume and leverage is going to be sustainable. Right, so therefore it's good to see. Right, activity is always great, and activity for XRP has been scarce the last couple of weeks, so that's good to see. But ultimately, I mean, the situation right now for XRP technically is still very similar. We're holding that level at 2.17 cents. Excuse me, a bit of morning allergy still. But we're holding that level pretty good on the daily time frame. It also looks quite good, as you can see. We found support at the value area low right here at 2.05. Have been able to reclaim this level here at 2.17 on the higher time frames as well, and we're still holding that. So as long as we're holding that, technically, I have to tell you that I think it's most likely we're going to go higher, right? So that is still what I do expect. We still have a minor resistance right here at 2.28, but the highs we made right there are not weak. So I don't expect much resistance there, even though it depends on how much volume XRP has, of course. I mean, if XRP has the same volume, same momentum as it has over the course of last week, we'll probably do something like this, right? So it's still going to act as resistance. But the main target we have is right here between 2.37 and 2.45. Right there you have the 90-day rolling VWAP all the way at the bottom. Then you have the POC of the current multi-month range right here at 2.41. And then you have the previous month POC at 2.46. So that's our main price target. It does look most likely we're going there. And like I said, there's some fundamentals that I wanted to speak about as well. And I do think those help XRP in pushing up to that level, and that is about RLUSD. Yesterday we had tens of millions of dollars added to the market cap of RLUSD, which, by the way, I found an account here on X. It's called a Ripple stablecoin tracker, or @RL tracker. Quite interesting, because that tracks the minting, redemption, and transfer of RLUSD, and minting of RLUSD is obviously the most important thing we want to measure, right? Because if more RLUSD is being minted, that means more usage, and more usage is bullish for XRP. Because if XRP, if Ripple is going to be one of the major players in the stablecoin market, that's absolutely bullish, all right? Now, at this point of time, I would not say that that's the case, all right? The market cap of RLUSD is $300 million right now, $317 million. Now, I'm not sure if I can easily find all the stablecoins together. I'd like to, though. Can I find that? Stablecoins? Because then I can show you that that's not that much, right? Yeah, fiat stablecoins. Yeah, fiat stablecoins. Here, if you take a look at the market cap of others, I mean, it's at this point of time, it's like one third the size, a little bit more, of PayPal USD, which is also not big, and it's very much still Tether and USD. Controlling the space, but that's, like I said, it's good development. I think that's one of the reasons why we had a bit of a surge here. I'll keep you updated on that. All right, you can follow this as well, but I keep an eye on RLUSD quite often either way. So yeah, good to see. But ultimately, XRP holding on well, even when Bitcoin is pulling back slightly, so that's good to see as well. But for now, I'd still say that this is most likely, right? So those are my thoughts. I'll be back tomorrow. For now, have a great day, have a great weekend. Take care, and bye.